If the way that you treat a woman is not the best, and you can only answer that question, I cannot do that for you. If the way you treat women is your Venus is damaged, and every time you mistreat a woman or do any kind of aggressive act towards a woman, your Venus takes a hit, and you don't want Venus taking hits. Because Venus is the one that grants you your wishes, gives you your wealth, happiness, contentment, fulfillment, blissfulness. You don't want to hit Venus. So how do you fix that? Well, simple. You treat women like diamonds. I'm dead serious. You treat them like diamonds. You don't speak to them vulgarly. You don't put them down. You don't swing at them. None of that. And most definitely, now this is probably might make people go, oh, blah, 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 but Kareth, I have none. Regardless of what your religious standpoint is, you treat women as an equal. You treat them as if, your life depended on it, whether you like it or not, deal with it. You don't blame them for whatever kind of religious thing happened, I don't care. You don't treat them bad. Because if you put them down or cause any harm to them, you're pretty much going up to Lakshmi and you're swinging at her. Of all the beings you swing at, Lakshmi is probably, if not the last one you want to hit. Because if you raise your hand against her, nice wealth you got there. Yoink. Nice comfort. Yoink. Nice wealth. Yoink. Gone. Venus is a woman. You don't swing at a woman. And also spouse figure.